Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I wanted to share with you 10 of the best design educational resources that you can find online. Now, of course, this list is not exhaustive. It's just 10 of the best that I found that I think are really good. This video is actually a request of one of our subscribers, Abde Med, and I wanted to give him a shout out for giving me this idea. So with that, let's jump right into it. The first one is CreativeLIVE. CreativeLIVE is a great site. It's got a huge range. It's because of the name, of course, it's focused mostly on the creative professions. It's got courses in photo and design and craft and maker, which is kind of unusual. You don't see that a lot. Money, life, music, audio, really large range. The classes range anywhere from $30 to up to $200 a class. And they also have some really famous teachers. There's Tim Ferriss, there's Lewis Howe, there's Debbie Millman. They have some big names amongst some other great teachers. So CreativeLIVE is a really awesome site. Number two is KelbyOne. KelbyOne is a great site because it's focused on a very niche topic. It's focused on photography, and because they focus really tightly on photography, they really focus on doing an amazing job at teaching it. You have everything from a free level to what is kind of common on some of these sites, which is a monthly fee, and their fee is $19.99 a month. And you can pay that per month and have access to all the courses that are available. They have some really famous photographers, and the site is obviously best for photographers who are looking to up their skills. Now, number three is Lynda.com. Lynda.com is probably one of the oldest video training platforms out there. They've got to be at least 20 or 25 years old. I remember them for, seems like forever. They have an incredibly broad course selection. They probably have thousands of online courses, video courses that you can take. They have topics in business and CAD textile design to IT, marketing, photography, design, obviously. Education, web development, music and audio. The selection is really, really broad. This is, if you have to choose one platform, this is probably the one to choose. Number four is Skillshare.com. Skillshare, I've actually subscribed to a while back. They're a great platform. They have a really wide variety. The videos are highly produced. The subscription starts at $99 a year, or you can pay $15 a month. And it's really cool platform because you can sign up and pay monthly, but then you can, or pay for your year, and you can deactivate at any time and then reactivate. So you can kind of turn off your subscription and then turn it back on, which is a really cool feature for it to have. Number five is ClassCentral.com. ClassCentral.com is one of the best online courses from top universities. You can take classes from Harvard University, from Yale University, I mean, some of the biggest and best schools in the country. It's a MOOC, or a massive open online course platform. And you can audit some of these classes for free for a period of time, but then you have to pay a little bit of money in order to actually audit the class. But you can also get certificates, and certificates can go, the fees are like $39 to $79 a month. But there is that free trial, so you can try it out for a period of time and see if you like it. Number six is LinkedIn.com/learning. Now, this platform is fairly new. I actually just kind of came across it by accident when I was cruising around on LinkedIn recently, and they have actually a big library of online courses. Most of the courses seem to be focused around kind of business topics, business development and stuff like that, but they also have a decent selection of design and branding and marketing classes, so you should definitely check that out. And it's free, and so that's the really cool thing about it. You may actually have to have a premium membership to LinkedIn to access them for free. I'm not sure about that. I've been premium for a long time, but you could definitely check into it. Number seven is Udemy.com. Now, you've probably heard of Udemy. It's one of the most popular platforms out there, and they're growing at an incredible rate. When I started, taking screen captures for this video about 6 months ago, I've been collecting them. Their website homepage said they had 50,000 online courses, and now I went back and checked it just before I did this, and they have 100,000. So they're obviously growing really quickly, and they have a huge range of really high-quality courses. They cover everything from business to design to marketing to even lifestyle, music, IT, software, teaching. The prices go from $10.99 on up. Now, number 8 is a little bit of a special one. It's helpx.adobe.com. You have to be an Adobe Creative Cloud user, subscriber, in order to access these trainings. But a lot of creative professionals use one or many Adobe Creative Cloud applications. And if you do, you have access to some of the best training for Adobe products out there. They're taught by Adobe certified trainers and some of the best professionals out there. So if you are a Creative Cloud user, this is an amazing platform for you, and you should definitely check out some of the trainings in it. Now, number 8 is also a little bit of a special one. Daniel Scott with his company Bring Your Own Laptop. You might have seen Daniel at the tail end of my graphic design trend video for 2019. Daniel and I have established a relationship. He's a certified Adobe trainer, incredibly talented. He's a speaker. He's spoken at the Adobe Max conference. And his trainings go for a subscription fee of $19.95 a month for all access. I'm an affiliate of his, so if you could use my affiliate link, if you're going to check out some of his courses, that would be great. The affiliate link is up on the screen, byol.me/Philip. He's an amazing teacher, and I'm not shilling him just because I'm going to make a little commission on it. He is really a totally fun teacher and incredibly talented, so I really encourage you to check him out if you're looking to learn Adobe products. And number 10 is a bonus extra. It's where you are right now. It's YouTube. YouTube is one of the best platforms for learning out there, and the amazing thing about it is that it's free. If you want to learn just about anything in design, anything, you can find someone who's going to teach you how to do it for free on YouTube. Now, there's a lot of dreck out there. There's a lot of, kind of lame teachers, but there's also some of the best experts out there teaching things on YouTube for free. So if you do a little searching, do a little digging, you can find amazing teachers on YouTube. It's the platform that I've chosen to do my teaching, so I encourage you to really explore YouTube and check it out. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video on 10 of the best online design education resources out there. And if you did, please hit subscribe below so you can see my videos when they come out. And visit me at philipvandusen.com and subscribe to my newsletter. It's called Brand Muse, and it comes out every 2 weeks, and I share an insight and videos and articles and resources on graphic design and entrepreneurship. And with that, thanks again for watching. Bye for now.